Hi there, students. Koan. What is a koan? Notice Koan, not Cone. Okay, a koan is something that they use in Zen Buddhism. It's normally a statement or an anecdote or question and answer, which is puzzling, it's strange, it's paradoxical, it's like a riddle. Yeah, it's not something that doesn't have the answer. So I think the most common of these koans, or the most famous, is what is the sound of one hand clapping? Yeah? Does it have an answer? This is designed to make you think more about life or about existence or things like this. So koans are short stories, fables, questions, designed to make the student think about them, and it may help them to understand the universe better, to become more enlightened. I think, for example, one of my favourite koans, I'm not sure I've ever heard anybody call it a koan, is from The Hitchhiker's Guide, where the question that they make a huge computer and they ask it the question, what is the meaning to life, the universe, and everything? And this computer thinks about it for millions of years and finally says 42. And I think this is a good koan because this then makes you think about, well, what actually is the question I'm asking? Yeah. What do I mean by what is the answer to life, the universe, and everything? Yeah. And it makes you think that the question, it's not a simple question, it's a much, much more complicated question. And this is the idea of a koan. Yeah, it's something to meditate, a paradox, which is training Buddhists to stop using reasoning, yeah, and become more intuitive and maybe to think about things in a different light. Yeah, it's like a problem or a riddle that normally has no logical solution. Yeah, and maybe you're thinking about why this paradox has no logical solution. Because not everything can be resolved using reasoning. Yeah, and it's to help illuminate your mind, to help you think further. Okay, so a koan. I don't know, for example, yeah, there are two monks arguing about a flag that's waving in the wind, and one says, well, the wind's moving the flag. And the other one says, no, 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 the flag is moving. And then a third one walks by and says, no, it's not the wind, it's not the flag, it's your mind. Yeah, so this is effectively making you think about reality. What is reality? Am I really here? Yeah. Or, for example, is there a teaching that no master has ever preached before? And the answer is yes, there is. And then the question is, what is it? And the answer is, it's not mind, it's not Buddha, it's not God, it's not things. So here, you are only defining something by what it's not. Yeah? How do you define the undefinable? It's probably never been taught before because nobody has been able to define it. And this is the idea of a koan, or a question that it's just a non sequitur. It doesn't make sense. What is Buddha? 3 pounds of flax. Flax is a seed. So what is Buddha? 3 pounds of seeds. Yeah, but think about it, because effectively it's trying to destroy the reliance on using logic for everything, and for us to become more intuitive. Okay, so koan, formality. That's a good word, a good question. I think I'm going to give it a 5, maybe 5.5. I think you could use it anywhere, although maybe some people don't know what it is. I think it's a word that's been getting more popular. And then as to origin, this word comes directly from Japanese, from koan. Yeah, which itself comes from Chinese, gong'an. Okay, official business. Anyway, a koan. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Koan.